Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide a tutorial on reading and writing files in Python. File handling is a crucial aspect of programming, and Python provides simple and powerful tools for working with files. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of reading from and writing to files using Python. To read from a file, you first need to open it. The open function is used for this purpose. Here's an example. The with statement is used to ensure that the file is properly closed after reading. In the above example, the content of the file is read using the read method. If you want to read the file line by line, you can use a loop. Here's an example. To write to a file, you can open it in write mode, W. If the file doesn't exist, Python will create it. If it exists, it will truncate the file to 0 length, erasing any existing content. Here's an example. You can write multiple lines by providing a list of strings to the readlines method. If you want to add content to an existing file without overwriting the existing content, you can open it in append mode, A. This will add the new content to the end of the file. That's a basic overview of reading and writing files in Python. File handling is a fundamental skill in programming, and mastering it will serve you well in various applications. Remember to handle exceptions appropriately, especially when dealing with file I/O operations. ChatGPT. Title: Python File Handling, a comprehensive guide to reading and writing files. Introduction. File handling is an essential aspect of programming, and Python provides a straightforward and powerful way to work with files. This tutorial will guide you through the process of reading from and writing to files in Python, covering the basics and providing code examples. Before you can read from or write to a file, you need to open it using the open function. The open function takes two parameters, the file path and the mode, R for read, W for write, A for append, and more. To read from a file, you can use methods like read, readline, or readlines. To write to a file, open it in write mode, W. If the file doesn't exist, Python will create it. Be cautious, as opening a file in write mode will erase its existing content. To add content to a file without overwriting the existing content, open it in append mode, A. File operations can raise exceptions. It's essential to handle them to prevent program crashes. Although using the with statement is recommended, you can also explicitly close a file using the close method. Conclusion. File handling is a crucial skill in Python programming. With the methods provided in this tutorial, you can confidently read from and write to files, making your programs more versatile and capable. Practice these concepts to become proficient in file manipulation with Python. ChatGPT.